iPhone storage full, always at the least convenient times. Hey everyone, I'm Ashif with Softorino, and this is how you get your precious iPhone storage space back. We're going to go over every last nook and cranny where your storage could be filling up, from obvious places like your unused apps to duplicate photos, files, and more. Here are the timestamps if you're looking for something specific, and without further ado, let's hop in. For our first cleanup task, let's head into settings. Scroll down to find General, then click on iPhone Storage. Here you have your apps, but more importantly, there's a section called Review Large Attachments. Whenever you send your friends photos or videos in iMessages, they're stored on your phone. And occasionally, this will fill up with videos that individually take up over a gigabyte. And when you have a bunch of these videos, it can really pile onto your storage. So press Edit at the top right and take a few minutes to clear this out. Skip over videos that are important to you, and by the end of this, you'll have a lot of space back. Just with this first step, you can see that we saved 8 entire gigabytes. Next, let's go over unused apps. In this same iPhone storage settings, scroll down to see all of your apps. Sometimes you download an app, then forget about it. Do this a few times and you'll have a handful of gigabytes lost to unused apps. Let's scroll through this and delete what you don't need. For me, this saved about 4 gigabytes, which goes a long way when you're a content creator who needs all their storage space for videos. Sometimes you want to keep an app, but you don't want it to take up a lot of space. For me, that's the Final Cut Pro camera app. I use this camera app to fine-tune my videos, but the video files this app puts out are taking up almost 8 gigabytes of storage space. So, still in your settings, you can go into individual apps like these and clear them out. You could either clear them out here, or better yet, open the apps themselves and make sure these things are not taking up space. Like in my Apple TV app. Sometimes I send videos from my computer to my iPhone so I can take my movies on the go without needing to waste data, and after I'm done, I want to make sure I'm clearing these things out. Oh, and if you want to know how to put your own videos into your Apple TV's app, or even your own music into Apple Music without needing to subscribe, you definitely should check out our videos on the topic by clicking the link in the description. Photos and videos are another large space eater for everyone. You don't have to be a content creator for this to be your largest use of space. First thing you want to do is make sure videos are being uploaded to the cloud. So, head into your settings, press your name, then iCloud and Photos. Make sure your videos are being synced and optimized iPhone storage is enabled. This will upload all of your photos and videos to the cloud and get them off your iPhone. You still have access to these photos in your app, so don't worry, they're not gone, they're just no longer locally on your iPhone. But that's not all for photos and videos. Let's quickly touch on duplicates. Open your Photos app and search for duplicates. Delete or merge these items to save a bit of space. And if you find that you're running out of iCloud storage, and it's mostly due to your photos and videos, you can go ahead and search videos and delete the ones you don't need. I have 200 gigabytes of iCloud storage, and you can see that over 120 gigs is just videos. So I'll go mass deleting these videos, being careful to save my cherished memories. Now for your Files app. This can be another hidden storage hog. When you open this app, make sure you aren't in the iCloud folder. You want to clear out what's inside your iPhone's local storage. So press back and check out what's actually on your device. Sometimes we'll download songs and movies, and if we're not careful, they'll end up here. So go ahead and take some time to clear this out. And yes, it can be a bit tedious, but that's what we gotta do to keep our iPhones in tip-top shape. Bonus tips, make sure you're checking out every nook and cranny of your Photos app. If you use WhatsApp for anything, all the photos and video attachments that you receive will get stored inside of your Apple Photos app. So make sure you go into the WhatsApp album and clear it. And restart your iPhone after you've done all these. Restarting your iPhone will let it check all of the areas again and make sure nothing was missed. Also, if you're not an iCloud user but you still want to save your photos and videos, I have a little trick for you. Download AltTunes and create a backup of your phone with this app. This will back up all your photos, videos, and literally everything else on your iPhone without needing to use cloud storage. There's a free AltTunes trial so you can check out all of its features, but also AltTunes is just super cheap. You get AltTunes, Walter Pro, and a ton of other awesome apps for the price of 200 gigabytes of iCloud storage. I specifically love Walter Pro because with this app, I'm able to send my own music into my iPhone instead of paying Apple Music subscription. I just drag it all into my iPhone and listen to it for free. If you know any other areas where we should check for iPhone storage, make sure you leave it in the comments for other users to see. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you leave us a like, share it with your friends who keep getting this notification, and subscribe because we post awesome Apple tips and tricks. Thanks for watching!
Softorino. Tiny apps that make a gigantic difference.